guys, assalamu alaikum. It's Jenergy and I have my guest here.
Hey guys, it's Kosen. Long time no see.
It's been a while for real. This week I decided to bring him in, so this week you're going to be seeing 3 videos with Kosen doing the cooking or making or whatever the case is. So today, in today's video, he's going to be showing us his
Guacamole recipe. It is the healthiest, best tasting thing I can ever think about.
So that's today's video for you guys.
Guacamole or Zaboca Choka. Alright guys, so to make guacamole, basic ingredients for my version, you must have Zaboca or avocado. Key ingredient. I like to add, we go with some regular onion. Jenergy loves red onion, so I put in some lots of garlic. The more you can add, the better. You must have lime. I love lime or lemon, but I prefer lime. I normally add more than this, but Jenergy again, you adjust it. Pimento. And to make it a little Trini version, we throw in some shadabeni or culantro. Bandanya. The other key ingredient is olive oil. Must have olive oil. And next up is some all-purpose seasoning. This will be our salt, some garlic powder. This flavors everything. Cayenne pepper for heat, and jeera, roasted jeera, is a key ingredient in guacamole.
Or cumin.
Cumin. So that's the ingredients. It's very easy to do. If I can do it, anybody can do it. And like I said, it's the healthiest thing you could possibly eat. Avocado is good for you, olive oil is good for you, garlic is good for you, onion is good for you. But
everything good for you.
Everything in this is pretty much good for you. So let's see how it goes. So the first thing we're going to be doing is cutting up the avocado, Zaboca. So anyhow you want to cut up, whatever the way you know the easiest way, we just want to slice it up and then peel it. If you have other way to do it, you go ahead and do it, because it's all going to be smashed at the end. So basically just peel it, slice it up. Guacamole is a pretty good thing when Zaboca avocado is a little too ripe sometimes and it's a bit mushy and you won't enjoy it like how you normally do. So that's where guacamole could come in pretty handy. So Jenergy just
speeding it up, guys. Speeding it up. There you go. Easy
what
like that.
What you doing so fast? Alright, that was a little too fast for me. Okay, so next up I like to mash my my Zaboca or avocado one time. Because you don't want to add everything and then try to mash it up, because it's kind of difficult. Alright, so after you smash the avocado, next thing I like to do is put the lime juice in it one time. So now we're going in with these seasonings.
Like mush.
Next up is the garlic. That will be great. Again, I like to add a lot of garlic because garlic is very healthy for you, especially if you eat a lot of sweet stuff. Garlic is kind of like a counterbalance to it. Culantro, shadabeni. Next up is a pimento.
So the pimento and the onions just chop in basically fine or chunky or however you like.
Yeah.
And one thing about the guacamole is you could just add any amount. So I'll post the recipe for this actually on my website. And but just remember, you could just play around with it and adjust accordingly if you want the spice or no spice or whatever the case is. You can even put all this stuff in a mini chopper. So you can put the onion, the pimento, and the garlic, and even the shadabeni in a mini chopper, just to save on some time.
Yeah, but I do. I guess you make it with love.
It's looking real good so far. I have my mouth watering actually. That is what it looks like. This looking real good, I wouldn't lie.
And well, the last thing you're going to add is some olive oil. And we're just mixing everything together. Oh, looks great.
Smelling so good.
Shadabeni and lime juice. Gotta taste it. And
so check it out. Homemade guacamole. Zaboca Choka. You're really crying.
alright guys, that onion made me cry. Some about like a cup of water when you cut it to avoid this. So the next step,
the taste.
Taste, because when you taste it, then you can know if you had to add more salt, add more jeera. So
let's see, right?
I think most likely might need a little more salt if you ask me.
Yeah.
I mean, you adjust to suit how much you want or how little you want. Can you hint at the cayenne? Pretty
So
good.
this is Kusem guacamole style.
Trini, guacamole style.
Trini guac. So yeah guys, so you could eat this with just about anything. You could eat it with chips, you could eat it with quicks, you could eat it with
Roti,
anything.
with bread, you can even
Yeah.
make dal rice and have a Zaboca Choka. Literally, this can go with anything. I can eat this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, which I think I'll be doing dinner and lunch tomorrow.
I will post the basic ingredients that he used on my website, so you can check that out of course. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was simple, very simple, easy to
Very.
put together. If you have any questions, of course, let me know, comment down below and let me know for sure. Stay tuned to more videos, 2 more videos for this week line up with Kusem in the kitchen with me.
And if I can make it, anybody can make it.
So thanks so much for watching guys. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course share it with your friends and your family. For those of you who are new to the channel, welcome aboard, and of course don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So thanks so much for watching guys, and we will see you guys in
The next video.
the next video.
Comment below if you want to cook anything special. I'll try it, you know. Comment below.